So now that we've copied the eyes across from the previous document, we have two sets of eyes, one set closed, one set open. Now this doesn't look very good right now, so what we need to do is find a way of fixing this. So I'm going to zoom in on the image, and the first stage is aligning the eyes. Always remember to zoom in as much as possible on a document so that you can get the clearest possible view. Now I can move the eyes over as they are, but once they're obscuring the eyes below, it's very hard to get a look at them. So what we need to do is adjust the opacity of the layer, which is done through the slider at the top of the layers palette. So just click that and drag it down, I'd say to about 50%. So now the layer is partially transparent, allowing us to see through it and line up the eyes. But of course in the other picture she tilted her head, so her eyes don't line up exactly. So we need to find another way of aligning this. This is where your free transform tool comes in. Shortcut key, Control and T. So if you click Edit Free Transform, this allows you to transform the image. Now we could do all manner of things with the free transform. You could enlarge it, you could squash it, but what we're interested in is rotating it. So inside the document you can drag and move it. If you move just to the edges, that's how you do your enlargements, but if you move slightly further away, the rotate icon appears. That's what we're looking for. So we just got to rotate these and move them until they line up. So a little bit of trial and error helps here. Once that looks okay, always be sure to press enter the moment that you finish a free transform. If you press escape, it undoes everything that you've previously done. So I press enter, and the eyes are there. So they're lined up, but they don't quite merge. We've got these lines here that we don't like. So we need to find a way to tidy that up. And the easiest way to do that is using a mask. So as we've seen before, to use a mask, you're either painting in with black and white paint. White representing something you want to keep, or black representing something you want to hide. Well, we're looking to hide most of this document. So we choose a small paintbrush using our square bracket keys, and using the black paint we just start painting away what we don't want to keep. Now remember to do several smaller brush strokes, that's usually a better idea. There you go, and that's all there is to it. So before, after, before, after. Anyone looking at that picture would struggle to tell the difference. So, blink fix, easily done in Photoshop.